I created this video inside GoHighLevel using Agent Studio. And let me show you how so you can turn around and sell this to your customers. So go inside your GoHighLevel account. And if you don't have this, you can use my affiliate link in the description to start your free trial today. But go over to your sub account and then go over to AI Agent on the left side and then Agent Studio up here. You're going to see a list of AI agents that you already have in this snapshot that I shared with you. But if you don't have any, or you don't have my affiliate link, go ahead on the top right, create agent, and then give it a name. We'll call it social media video generator. Description, like a custom agent to generate short videos using VEO 3. That's the model we're going to be using, and hit create agent. As soon as you hit create, you'll be entered into the studio where you have the start node. All agents start with the start node. And then on the left side, you have all the different possibilities in order to build this agent. So we're going to first get an input from the user. So we're going to grab this text input from the left side and then drop it here. And we can leave the tool name default because it does say capture text, and that's what we want to do. The prompt that the user is going to see is please enter your, and I like niche, because they can enter one word, for example, electrician or dentist or lawyer, and then we're going to use that same input across this entire workflow. When that customer puts in the word electrician, let's say, we want to remember that word. And for that, we use something called a variable. And this variable I like to call inputs underscore niche. Just like that. And then minimum length is 1, max length is 500, meaning that's the size of the word they can put in. And then we'll say save. And now we have our first action, which is entering text. Now that we have a text, we need to do something with this. We need to pass that to a video generator. That's over here on the left side, video generation. Go ahead and grab that and bring it over here. Video generation name is self-explanatory. I like that. And what makes an AI agent do what it does is the prompt. So important to have this right. The one I have is create a visually stunning, realistic short video for a business promoting its services in the niche. That's the variable that we're going to plug in. So for example, electrician would get replaced with electrician here. Niche. The video should capture dynamic scenes, engaging visuals, and professional details that instantly convey the essence and value of the niche. Use impactful lighting, smooth camera movements, and compelling storytelling, all without including any text, letters, or numbers, making it perfect for social media promotion. What I've noticed is when it enters text and numbers, they just show up looking all weird, so I choose not to do those. And then once this video is created, it's going to be saved inside a variable, a way for the agent to recall this if we need to maybe move on into posting this somewhere or uploading it somewhere. For now, we're just generating a video, so we'll just leave this as default. The model we have is VEO 3 and VEO 3 Fast. Fast is a little bit cheaper and it's going to provide a quicker response. So let's go with that. Your VEO regular without the fast is going to take a little bit longer, but it's going to give you a better quality video. Aspect ratio, you can choose if you want to make a short. So that's going to be good for a mobile view, or 16:9, which would be good for a desktop or a TV. Let's go with 16:9 so we can show it on the video here. And then the resolution, we'll just go with a 720p because it's faster. If you're going to post this online, I would recommend going with the 1080p. So I'm going to pick the 720p and then hit save. And now I have my next node. So now in order to run these, we have to connect them from the left to the right. So from start node, we say you're going to start with the first step, which is sequential node. And in this sequential node, we're asking the user to input a word, which is going to be the niche. Once we have that word, let's say electrician, we're going to pass that word over to this next node, which is going to generate video. That's just a descriptive label. You can put whatever you'd like, but the important piece here is a condition. Hit add condition, leave this default as and then in the variable to compare, pick the variable that we started with. This is going to be runtime inputs niche if you've been following this tutorial, so just pick the top one in the list. And then operator is going to be not equal to, that's the second one in the list. And then for value, we're just going to hit a space bar, meaning we want to make sure whatever somebody enters is not equal to blank, meaning the user must enter something in order for this video to be generated. And then we hit save. Now our agent is ready to execute. Let's go up here and hit save, and then go ahead and publish it, promote to production. And as long as you get green pop-ups, that's a good thing. If you get an error, you probably did something wrong and you should redo this. So let's go over to test your agent. And the first thing it should ask us is, please enter your niche. That's exactly what we wanted it to do. And so I'm gonna say electrician, and then say go. Little chest break while we wait. Okay, he just gave me his coin for free. I think he wasn't that good. And now our video is ready. Let's take a look at this. Very cool. And now if you wanted to save this video, you can right click on the video and say save video as. That'll save it to your desktop, and then you can upload it to YouTube if you want to use this as an advertisement, upload it to your social media sites, or share it with your client for approval, or just turn around and sell it as content for other folks to use it in their own advertisements. Now you can build videos inside HighLevel, and you don't have to rely on third-party software. And the beauty of this is it's all integrated within your CRM. So now you can interact with customers all in one platform, which makes HighLevel a really powerful tool. So use my affiliate link in the description to start your free trial, and then I will coach you to build your agency so that way you're successful, hopefully before your trial even expires. Stay tuned. Next, we're going to be building an audio generation AI agent. If you want to try your hand at doing this yourself instead of just watching, you can use my HighLevel affiliate link in the description below. If you use that, you get an extended 30-day HighLevel trial, hundreds of pre-built AI agents, access to my school community, 40+ business and marketing courses that I've built. You'll have all of my website template that you've seen me create. I'll even hop on a live Zoom call with you twice a week to help guide you and build your business with you. You'll have a direct line to me and also a chance to join my agency and run some of these businesses that I have, as well as take on my client. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.